Hey everyone, welcome to the What Happened channel. Today I'm going to talk about a delicate and controversial topic, the story of serial killers who were wrongly convicted and wronged by the justice system. Many cases of wrongful convictions have occurred over the years, and it is important to talk about this to raise awareness of the importance of a fair and impartial trial. Let's start by talking about an emblematic case, that of Timothy Evans, a man unjustly condemned to death for the murder of his wife and daughter in 1949 in England. It was later discovered that the real culprit was John Christie, a neighbor of Evans, who was responsible for at least 8 deaths at that time. Another famous case is that of Adnan Syed, convicted of the murder of his ex-girlfriend Hae Min Lee in 1999 in the United States. The consideration was mainly based on the testimony of a schoolmate of Adnan, who later admitted to lying to the police. After a series of appeals, in 2019 the Maryland State Supreme Court granted Adnan a new trial. Another rather shocking case is that of Kevin Cooper, condemned to the death penalty in the United States for the murder of 4 people in 1983. However, there is much doubt regarding his guilt, with various evidence pointing to the possibility that he may have suffered in the investigation and trial. In fact, many people have mobilized to try to reverse Kevin's sentence and prove his innocence. In 1985, Stephen Avery was convicted of a rape he didn't commit. He spent 18 years in prison before DNA tests proved his innocence, and he was released in 2003. Sadly, in 2005, Avery was arrested again, this time for the murder of Teresa Halbach. Many believe that Avery was wrongly convicted again and that there is evidence that points to his innocence. The case was featured in the Netflix documentary series Making a Murderer. Finally, Damien Eccles, Jason Baldwin and Jesse Miss Kelly Jr. In 1993, these 3 young men were convicted of murdering 3 children in West Memphis, Arkansas. The condemnation was based largely on satanic theories and testimonies from experts on satanic cults. However, many people believe that they were wrongly convicted and that there is evidence that points to their innocence. In 2011, after 18 years in prison, they were released on the basis of a plea deal that allowed them to maintain their innocence, but without officially absolving them of the crime. The case was featured in the HBO documentary series Paradise Lost. These are just a few examples of cases of erroneous occurrence that have occurred around the world. I hope this video has helped shed some light on the subject of wrongly convicted serial killers. If you know of a similar case, leave it in the comments below so we can continue discussing this very interesting subject. Thanks for watching, and until next time.